Hi everyone, it's Sam over here from KeeperArt Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ripple delete all gaps or remove multiple spaces at once in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is making a new black video by right-clicking on the project panel, new item, and select black video. You don't need to make any settings in this dialog box, so just click OK, then drag the black video into the timeline, and stretch it long to fill the entire space up to the end. Then select all of your clips by pressing A, then press and hold the Shift key while clicking the first clip to select all clips to the right. Then press and hold the Alt key while pressing your up arrow key. This way will override the black video to make new gaps in the clip. Then press and hold your Alt key again while pressing the down arrow key to move them back to the previous track. Now what we are going to do is to select all of the black video clips. To do so, press A on your keyboard, then press and hold the Shift key while clicking the first clip to select all clips to the right. Now right click on any of the black video clips and select Ripple Delete. And now all the gaps have gone. That's all for this tutorial. Please like this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you around.